Hello everyone, I'm Dietitian Shazlyana from Columbia Asia Hospital, Puchong. Yes, there are a lot of the cancer treatment options, but prevention can be greatest potential to reduce the burden of the cancer in the general population. Nowadays, people living with very unique of environmental factor, lifestyle factor, so cancer risk can be varied. I would like to share to all of you regarding the recommendation tips from the American Institute Cancer Research regarding the cancer prevention. You need to be in a healthy weight. Try to get your weight in a healthy or normal range of the BMI. Be a physically active. Try to get active within 250 minutes in a week. Eat a diet that rich in the whole grains, beans, vegetables and also fruit, because all of this kind of food is very high in antioxidant which can fight for cancer disease. Another tips to share, try to limit your consumptions of the red meat and also the processed meat. Try to get more of white meat instead of red meat, because the fat content of the white meat much lower when we compare to the red meat. In form of the sugar sweetened drink, we also need to limit the intake. When our body is high in sugar level, it can turn our body weight to obesity or overweight. When we have this kind of body figure, it can expose us to the high risk to get a cancer disease. As we know nowadays, we are really exposed to the fast food, processed food. Like we know all of this kind of food is very high in salt content and also the fat content. When our body fat level is exceed from normal range, it can cause the other health problem and also can directly to the cancer disease. In form of fat, try to get improve your good fat in your body by taking a good sources of the fatty acid in your dietary intake, such as the olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, flaxseed oil and also fish. Alcohol consumption can cause a cancer. Try to limit your alcohol consumption, because when your dietary intake is very high in alcohol consumption, it can cause a liver problem and then it can link to the cancer disease. As we know, breast milk is very high in antibody. For a mother, keep breastfeed your baby because it can reduce a cancer risk towards your baby and also yourself. In case you already diagnosed with a cancer, try to follow all the recommendations from your physician, from your dietitian to reduce the burden of the cancer towards your body. The most important is actually do not use any kind of supplement as a cancer prevention. After all tips that I share to all of you, I hope it can be very helpful for preventing or managing a cancer. Eat healthy and stay fit.